Ever found yourself scrolling through endless online reviews, trying to figure out if a company is the real deal or just another flash in the pan? I know I have. And today we're diving deep into one such company, Lightspeed. Is Lightspeed legit? That's the million-dollar question, and by the end of this video, I promise you'll have a much clearer picture. We live in a world dominated by e-commerce, right? Whether you're a small boutique owner or running a massive online empire, you need the right tools to manage your business. And that's where platforms like Lightspeed come in. They promise to streamline operations, boost sales, and generally make your life easier. But with so many options out there, how do you know if Lightspeed lives up to the hype? Is it worth your investment, or is it just another overhyped platform? Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about what Lightspeed actually is. Think of it as an all-in-one commerce platform. They offer a suite of tools designed to help businesses manage everything from point-of-sale, POS, systems and inventory management to e-commerce integration and customer relationship management, CRM. Essentially, they aim to be the central hub for all your business operations. Sounds great, right? But the devil, as they say, is in the details. So, is Lightspeed legit? The short answer is yes. They are a publicly traded company, meaning they're subject to regulatory scrutiny and have a certain level of transparency. They've been around for a while and they have a substantial user base. These aren't signs of a fly-by-night operation. However, just because a company is legit doesn't automatically mean it's the right fit for your business. Now, let's delve into the pros and cons, the nitty-gritty that will help you make an informed decision. First, the positives. Lightspeed offers a comprehensive suite of features. I mentioned POS, inventory, and CRM, but they also offer things like marketing tools, reporting and analytics, and even integrations with other popular business applications. This breadth of functionality is a major selling point, especially for businesses looking for a centralized platform. Another advantage is their focus on specific industries. Lightspeed has tailored solutions for retail, restaurants, golf courses, and even cannabis dispensaries. This specialization means that the software is often better suited to the unique needs of these businesses compared to a more generic platform. For example, their restaurant POS system might include features like table management and online ordering integration, which are crucial for restaurant owners. Lightspeed also boasts a user-friendly interface, at least for the most part. While there's always a learning curve with any new software, many users find Lightspeed relatively intuitive to navigate. This is a big plus, as it reduces the time spent training employees and allows you to focus on running your business. Now, let's talk about the potential drawbacks. One common concern is pricing. Lightspeed's pricing plans can be a bit complex, and they're not always the most transparent. Depending on your business size and needs, the costs can add up quickly. It's crucial to carefully evaluate the different plans and understand exactly what you're paying for before committing. Hidden fees or unexpected costs can be a nasty surprise down the road. Another potential issue is customer support. While some users have reported positive experiences, others have complained about slow response times and unhelpful support agents. This can be a major problem, especially when you're dealing with technical issues or need urgent assistance. Reliable customer support is essential for any business, so this is definitely something to consider. Furthermore, while Lightspeed offers a wide range of features, some users have reported that certain features are lacking in functionality or could be more robust. For example, some retailers might find the inventory management system adequate, while others with more complex inventory needs might find it limiting. It's important to research the specific features you rely on and make sure Lightspeed meets your requirements. Another point to consider is the integration with third-party apps. While Lightspeed does offer integrations, the selection might not be as extensive as some other platforms. If you heavily rely on specific apps for your business, you'll need to check if they integrate seamlessly with Lightspeed. So, where does that leave us? Is Lightspeed legit? Yes, absolutely. Is it the perfect solution for every business? Probably not. Like any software platform, Lightspeed has its pros and cons. The key is to weigh these factors against your specific business needs and decide if it's the right fit for you. Don't just take my word for it. Do your own research. Read reviews from other businesses in your industry. Take advantage of free trials or demos if available. Ask questions, and don't be afraid to compare Lightspeed with other platforms before making a decision. Choosing the right commerce platform is a critical decision for any business. It's an investment that can significantly impact your efficiency, profitability, and overall success. So, take your time, do your due diligence, and make an informed choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.